Welcome back, friends and students. So, the topic is how to use each and every correctly. So, please subscribe the channel and like the video before going to the topic. So, the new topic is each and every. What is the difference? Each is used if we mean an individual member of a group. Each, when we include everyone in the group, so we use each, and every can also be used. Let's see the example. We have sent the invitation to each slash every business partner. It means that this invitation is for everyone, for the whole business partners. Each of is used if we mean all members of a group and we include a possessive adjective such as or, my, their, etc. Every cannot be used in this case. So the difference is here that when we use each of, we use it, it includes a possessive adjective. Just see the example. We have sent the invitation to each of our friends. Each of our friends. So in this case, we don't use every of our friends. Every is used with a plural noun when it is followed by a number. Each cannot be used in this case. Let's see the example. I visit my mother every 2 months. So look at the structure every, then followed by 2 months. It is plural noun. Or every other day, every second week. Each cannot be used in this case. We cannot use each 2 months. It is wrong. So this is the difference between each and every. So guys, it's your turn now. Please make some sentences in the comment box and hopefully you will enjoy the video also. So let's see how you make sentences of each and every. I will be appreciating it. So hopefully see you soon. Take care for now. Take care.